Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn Google Chat notification on or off in Google Chat on mobile. So to customize Google Chat notification, you can go to Google Chat or your Gmail, and you can select the conversation participant or space name, and then at the top next to the conversation participants or space name, click the down arrow and more option or more options and select the notification. Just click on it. So you can choose an option that um, all or just following or none. You can select this one as you like. That's it. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.